Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. Now today we've got a second part of our Som Tam Pala Gai Yang video series. So today we're going to be showing you how to make the Gai Yang and the sticky rice. Alright, so if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around after this.
Hi, today we're going to make a Gai Yang by Chef Pi Sar.
Two medium-sized chicken breasts. And we got light soy sauce, Maggi sauce. We've got chicken powder, black pepper, turmeric powder, palm sugar, and then we've got the garlic, black pepper and coriander root mixture that we've shown you before how to do, and you just cook together in the wok. I'll put a link to the previous video that had this.
Okay, so we're going to make our marinade now. So a tablespoon of the garlic, black pepper and coriander root. I shall put a link, as I said before. 1/3 to 1/2 tablespoon of chicken salt, 1/2 tablespoon of palm sugar, pinch of black pepper, pinch of turmeric powder, one tablespoon of Maggi sauce, one tablespoon of thin soy sauce, give it a good stir. Place the chicken in the marinade. And keep turning them to get them evenly covered. Leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. We can place it in the fridge overnight. After leaving the chicken to marinate, prepare your grill or hot plate on a low heat. (15 to 20 minutes each side). We want this to cook slowly.
How to steam sticky rice the easy way. You can do it at home. This one, we sticky rice, we soak in the cold water for 3 hours. And after that, we drain the water out, become like this. And the easy way, just use the drainer, put in the steamer, and then just put it there. Steam about 15 minutes. You can get the sticky rice soft and sticky as you like.
Keep turning the chicken. looking good.
Okay, we steam the first 10 minutes, right? And then we turn the other, how to say in English, what turn?
Turn it over.
Oh, okay. And then we turn this over. And turn this over and steam another 5 minutes. Okay, wait. When we turn, we spill the water a little bit. Make the sticky rice soft. Okay, now we have steam for 15 minutes. And then we store sticky rice in this container. อันนี้มันมาทำมาจากใบอะไรวะ
ใบลาน
พูดไม่เป็นใบลาน There's no word for just store in here.
Okay, so we'll slice this into decent sized slices. Okay, let's stuck in. I will serve with nam jaew as well, which we'll do another video on that in the future.
ก็ใส่นี่
Marvi!
เร็ว
So we'll mix this with the somtam plara that we did in the last video and pair it with the sticky rice, and you've got yourself a great family meal.
Okay. So this is really, really good.
Oh.
Try this at home. Put it all together. Sticky rice, Gai Yang, and a somtam pala. Really top notch. Enjoy, guys.
Okay, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next week, where I think we're gonna have maybe another Isan classic. So stick around for that. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and that's right, bang that bell. So we'll see you next week. Take care, and thank you for all your support. Bye.